Good evening. On my specialty channel you will be able to find interesting information on pharmaceutical equipment. Our experts will help you choose vacuum and screw powder conveyors for bulk products transportation. Our range also comprises conveyor belts used to transport raw materials and finished goods in production. We will help with the arrangement of automatic vial and bottle feeding, tablet transportation, powder unloading from mixer, product and raw material transportation and check weighting. The founder and leading specialist of the company is RomanTsibulsky. Minipress was registered in 2000 year. We are developing several large YouTube channels focused on different pharmaceutical equipment. There you can watch videos about the equipment that we are dealing with. Our videos are ahead of video channels competitors in terms of quantity and quality. RomanTsibulsky attends equipment exhibitions annually, delves into the work of each machine and technology, and selects suppliers providing the highest quality equipment. We give advice on the selection of various consumables and raw materials to achieve the maximum results in the process of operation. We prepare customers for future problems. We advise to find capable machines and adjusters in their city to help them monitor the equipment and repair it. In addition, we provide support in the delivery of spare parts for equipment bought through us. We participate in the sale of used equipment between our customers or through our catalog. We help searching for suppliers of consumables. In fact, we have the largest in Russia multi-language catalog of pharmaceutical equipment with photos, descriptions and, what is more important, with prices and video demonstration of the equipment in operation. Thanks for watching. Have a great mood. In short, share this video in all social media. Click like, think, write in the comments if you are interested in something.